In this practical, you'll be applying what you've learned in recent lectures, so keep in mind those concepts we've gone over recently. This is going to be quite a cool and unique practical, wherein I'd like you to create a welcome page. Now this isn't just going to be any normal static web page. No, I want you to create something where not only does it have a welcome at the top for everyone who comes in, but based on the time of day, I want you to have a greeting here that fits accordingly. So for example, if it's morning, I want it to say good morning. If it's daytime, I want it to be, so for example, like around 12 o'clock, I want it to say good day. If it's the evening, good evening, and if it's night, then good night. Now, you may not remember how to create your date. We used this function very early on in JavaScript, but there's also a few other things to keep in mind here, and I thought it would be a bit simpler for me to just tell you how you can get the time, and then you can apply the rest. So this is basically what you want to do in order to get the hour of the current time. So not only do you want to create a new date like this, but then you want to use a method within that called .getHours with a capital H. So create yourself a variable, name that variable whatever you like, and then you put in equals new, and then date with empty brackets, .getHours, capital H, empty brackets. So this will give you a number. So for example, if the time is 11 AM, it's going to be 11. If it's 3 PM, it's going to be 15, etc. So that's the way in which you'll be able to get the hour number. So I want this text to appear here based on what the time is, and this is for a bonus. Try and find a way to work out how you can get a different image. So you download a few images, maybe from a search engine, download a picture for morning, one for daytime, one for evening, one for night, and see if you yourself can work out how to change the image based on the time of day. Now, like I said near the start of this course, I'm going to avoid telling you what concepts to use. I'm just pretending to be a customer almost, apart from obviously telling you this line of code. But apart from that, I'm trying to act like a customer, where I'm just saying, when it's morning, make it good morning. I want the picture to be different. What I recommend you do for changing the image is to go online. So do a bit of searching yourself, because what you'll find is that if you are ever with a customer, or they've set you some requirements and asked you to go away and make it happen, almost always there's going to be something you're not sure of how to do. So it's really important to gain that skill of thinking, okay, I'm not sure how to do this yet, but I'm going to find out how to. And that's a really, really important skill that people very much overlook when they're looking to learn how to code. So give it a try yourself. The most important thing here is that you're able to have this appear as good morning or whatever based on the time of day. Bonus points for changing the background color and changing the image. So best of luck, give it a try, even if you're not feeling confident. If you can just do the bare basics for this, or even just attempt to, that's much better than not giving it a try at all. So really do have a go at this yourself, and then I'll go over it with you in the next lecture.